I'm so happy with my teeth that I have now, and I can eat things I haven't eaten for years. To be removed, and I came for the all on
6.
The
full mouth implants.
Yeah, full mouth implants.
You got your zygomatic implants.
Correct.
Yeah, because we lack some bone in your case.
Yes. So they've worked really well. Although the procedure was, a little bit hard. It wasn't so. It was a little bit of stress, but it was manageable. And I'm so happy with my teeth that I have now, and I can eat things I haven't eaten for years.
So you've tested your teeth. You had food, you had your favorite things.
I haven't tested it on really hard things, but grapes I have. But just grapes.
Okay.
They don't seem like they're hard, but if you can't bite them or chew them, you can't eat them.
Exactly.
And so I sat and ate lots of grapes. They were really lovely.
You enjoyed grapes?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. So actually we just tell the patients, we told you to avoid biting on very hard food for the initial days.
Yes.
But with time you can start with those also.
Yes. So for the first 72 hours I just stayed with soft foods.
Yeah.
And I've just been eating whatever I like since then. Yeah.
So you enjoyed your new teeth?
They're wonderful.
You like them? You like your smile?
Yes.
You really do?
Yes.
Okay, so you're happy with the treatment?
Better than the treatment is all of the staff and all of the dentists have taken so much care, not only just in the dental work, but with accommodation, with everything. I have been so well looked after. I feel like I'm a part of the family now.
Okay, so one more question I would like to ask. When you came here, all the treatment options that what you can go for, are they explained to you in a proper manner?
Everything was explained to me, and I was a little bit confused before I came because there are quite a few options.
Yeah.
And I really wanted something that was permanent, and the dentist sat me down and showed me all of my options, and I was able to choose which option I wanted. So that was fantastic as well.
Yeah, okay. So as you can see, we have an apple here and some almonds. We want you to take a bite.
Yes.
Please.
Okay.
Yeah.
Whew, I haven't even bitten on an apple for so long I can't even remember when I ate an apple last.
Juicy?
I can do it.
Yes, you can.
That's awesome.
Good?
And, excuse me, these nuts, almonds, I did have a temporary bridge in, and I ate one almond and it cracked my bridge in 3 places.
The last one you had?
Yes.
Oh.
So one bite and it went crack.
Oh.
It cracked it. So okay, let's try it.
Let's try.
Oh.
Good?
Oh.
You able to eat? Okay.
Fantastic.
Thank you so much.
Fantastic. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Yeah.
Our pleasure.
Yeah.